Hi guys, welcome back. Today's video is a husband does my makeup, so I think I need my husband.
The last time I did her makeup was maybe 4 years ago. No, more.
Were we even married yet?
No.
Wow.
We're just going out.
Wow.
What I'm gonna start off with is... What am I gonna start off with?
Eyes first, maybe.
Eyes first, yes. This thing.
Oh my god.
Okay.
Which way should I face?
You shall face...
Should I sit on your lap?
No.
Would that help?
No, it wouldn't. Okay, ready? Ready?
Seba?
What?
You're not even on my eyelash line.
Oh, sorry. Okay. Guess we're gonna do the next side, watch.
Watch and learn, people. This is very avant-garde, isn't it?
Yeah, it looks nice. Hold on, I think I just gotta fix this a bit too pointy. Contour, guys. Contour, we're gonna contour. We're gonna use a Nude Stick sculpting pencil by...
Nude Sticks.
Nude Stick. Boo. What am I doing here?
It's cute.
Okay.
You're very endearing. Wait, that's highlighter. So if you want to contour, you'd use the other side. Sorry guys, I know I'm giving him hints, but... Oh god. What the...
I'll blend it out pretty smoothly after, okay? I've seen this on Instagram everywhere, so let me just do my thing.
Thanks, my chin needs contouring.
Doesn't it?
No. I don't know, yes.
No. No.
No.
This is blush?
No,
this
that's
is blush.
concealer.
This is blush.
Oh my gosh, that is so red.
Guys, we're gonna use Rare Beauty blush. Don't worry, I know it looks kind of weird right now, but it's gonna come together, I promise, promise.
You should only use a very small amount of that, by the way. Oh my god. Why didn't I tell you that before?
I don't know why you didn't tell me that before. Hold on, it'll come together, I promise. Now we're using Kaja for highlight. And we're just gonna go to the forehead. Just multiplying, making a lot of little circles. Like that. Cool.
Went to hold your hand and I held the Kaja.
And actually, I feel like you need one more circle around those circles. There. What do you guys think? So now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna blend all this together. You're gonna see it's gonna look fabulous. Okay? I know it's a little bit, you know, weird right now, but just give me a second. I have to get in front of her because if not, it's gonna be very uneven. So just give me a second.
Oh, now you care about uneven.
Alright guys, I'm almost finished. It didn't come out as I expected. Something happened. Sorry, Chloe.
We're having a baby!
We are having a baby.
Explain your artwork.
So
that people understand if they haven't learned the birds and the bees.
okay, I didn't want to make it too obvious, but I tried to draw like an ovary. And the little white things on her eyes are sperms. Little sailors.
And then these are the multiplying cells.
Yeah, multiplying cells. Oh my god, sorry guys. Yeah,
this is how we are.
Yeah.
This is how we are. This is our announcement.
Yeah.
If you guessed it, you were right.
She's 5 months pregnant.
21 weeks.
Yeah.
In a few days. So, yep. That's all we have though right now. That's how I've been able to hide it.
Yeah, it hasn't really been pronounced. Like,
I know why, because the baby's standing up like this. Literally vertical in my stomach.
We don't know what it's gonna be. We're not gonna find out until the baby's born, which is what she wants, and I respect that.
Thank you.
So we already have a few names, but we're not like 100% sure.
Yeah.
And
we're still fighting about that. It's been nice. I have not had any like real symptoms. I haven't really had any cravings that I've noticed. I wasn't sick. I really wouldn't know that I was pregnant if I hadn't taken the pregnancy test and then gone to see the baby.
And that's it.
That's it. We just decided to do this last minute because
today actually.
he wanted to announce it before I wanted to wait a bit longer because we're waiting on some results.
Can we pause for a second? I can't take her serious.
I don't want to talk about the serious shit while I look
pause.
The sperm is so funny, Seba.
Does it look like it?
Yeah. And it's to scale.
Holy shit.
Can you imagine?
I don't want to.
Okay, I'm ready, babe. It's not perfect, but...
Okay, hold on.
You really can't tell. It's just like blotchy cheeks.
Oh yeah, I see the circle. Alright, get in the middle.
You want me to get in the middle?
No, in the middle. I mean like in the line. There you go. And we're back.
So obviously we found out in October and I was really relieved that it was like a week after I'd given up alcohol. I'd went to go on a no alcohol for October thing, and so I was, you know, ahead of myself there. I must have known it in my heart and soul that I had a baby. And found out I was pregnant and we were very excited. We told our family straight away after through 2 or 3 pregnancy tests because I just didn't believe them.
We went through 3 because we're just like, nah.
Nah. Obviously the first trimester you're very nervous about getting through that. And then by the time we hit December, I opted in for some tests just due to some family history and family tragedy that we've had in my side. So we've had a bunch of extra tests. That was when I said I was going to the doctors. I said I had a medical problem. Anyway, they had to do the whole amniocentesis thing, and we're hopefully getting those results in 3 weeks, but we're trying to stay really positive, and we feel like we know in our heart that...
Yeah, I feel like everything is going to be fine.
So the baby is getting big. Like they said, it's really big. She told me it was 500 grams 2 weeks ago, and then all my apps said it should be like 200 grams. So that's our news.
Yeah.
That's our news.
That's our news.
And we're very excited. Very happy. Cool, we've done it. We've told them now. I don't have to keep hiding it.
Yeah.
Whew, I have been... I mean, I feel like if you know me well, the fact that I haven't been drinking alcohol, I've been drinking non-alcoholic wine a lot.
That's another thing. So all the times that you've seen her with a glass of wine, it's actually a non-alcoholic wine.
Yep.
So.
Just to try to throw everyone off because, you know, if something had happened, I probably wasn't even going to talk, didn't want to be forced to talk about it, you know?
Yeah.
So we were just like hiding it for a bit, obviously. And then those tests happened, we had to keep hiding it and whatever, we're like, give it up now.
For all of you who guessed it.
You have psychic abilities.
Yes, you do.
Because I'm good at keeping secret.
Anyways, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
For my baby.
Yeah.
For our baby. Our baby. This is like the wedding thing. I need to stop saying my wedding. I mean, my baby is our baby.
Well, it is your baby, but it's
and
also
we know
my
that
baby.
it's your baby because we've been in quarantine for so long. Okay, that's it. That's it. That's it. Bye, guys.
Alright.
So you know what you're drawing, right?
Yeah. It's a vagina.
A uterus and fallopian tubes.
Fallopian tubes.
Yeet.
Fallopian
like that.
tubes. Yes.
Okay.
That way my arms don't.
Sebastian. Oh, Brad Pitt. I mean, Sebastian.
Sorry. What?
Don't write too big, otherwise it won't fit.
Trust me, it'll fit with that forehead. I'm still pregnant.
This is strange. Pregnant. We're so excited to be parents.
Yeah.
Sebastian is made to be a dad.
Can't wait to be.
Ah!
That was hard, yo. I think we should do it again. That's like fucking psycho. Let's do it one more time from the beginning. Like from the beginning. Like I'm gonna do the whole.
What? No.
Yeah.
No, because I.